Good morning, everybody. My name is Apresa Sata Marisinaga. I am from Port Shipping Management 3 Alpha. Today, I want to tell you about the Highway C program. I think this program is one way for Indonesia to be the world maritime axis to awaken the Indonesian maritime sector to be able to compete globally. The Sea Highway is a concept to improve the logistic transportation process in Indonesia, which is currently being implemented by the leadership the seventh President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo. So it is hoped that the process of distributing goods, especially foodstuffs in Indonesia, will be easier. Then it will have an impact on the price of basic commodities that are evenly distributed. Highway is not and makes a toll road over the sea. Instead, it is a barrier-free shipping in lines that is connected to almost all ports in Indonesia. Examples of ports that are connected to the Indonesian Maritime Highway are Indonesian Joko Widodo President is the port of Tanjung Priok with Tanjung Perak, Sorong with Tanjung Perak port shipping. Of course, it is very clear that the ships used to cross of the sea highway are ships that have a very large capacity and volume. In addition to maximizing transportation to send large quantities goods, maritime toll ships must also be able to cross the sea, which has a considerable distance. The benefit of the ship highway is one, realizing the first Nawacipta. One of the benefits of Maritime Highway Program by Indonesia is of the Sea Toll Program is contained in the first point of President Joko Widodo, namely strengthening identity as the largest time maritime in the world as explained in Joko Widodo video on YouTube. Back 2. Improving the welfare of all levels of Indonesian society. It can be said to this second benefit is the main benefit of running the sea program, which is that it is able to make the price of basic necessities throughout Indonesia equal. Why is equal? Which is that one of the reason is that the road and distribution price are no longer as expensive as before the Sea Highway program. 3. Increasing the independence and total income of Indonesian fishermen. Did you know that the port that was inaugurated by President Joko Widodo now has better facility than before, especially in the fish storage facility that will be sold by fishermen, bigger and cleaner so that it can be used by fishermen to sell fish in large quantities. 4. Infrastructure development and reducing Indonesian unemployment rate. Through this program, it is hoped that the 7 million figure can be reduced because the infrastructure of each region of Indonesia is repaired so that is more visible and attractive as a place to visit local and foreign tourists. As a society, we must support government programs in advancing the Indonesian economy and maritime affairs. Thank you.